required, there is no difficulty. But yes, if you put it in and say that tomorrow, I've seen apps saying that you put in the problem and this is the judgment. I mean, if that starts coming out, then the human element that goes into a judgment, goes completely out. So that danger is very much there, at least from the legal perspective. I know, students and others have used that, and they've got a big zero in. So there are, sort of, pluses and minuses. But see, again, technology is supposed to be always useful. The human being must be always above that. I mean, I think all of us have said that, whether it's the owner of the sort of the IP or otherwise, it has to come. That's another very, very interesting debate on what is happening. Like for example, the use of AI in, we have I have a celebrity client who's sort of, fearing that his voice is going to be used. So again, how do we handle that? Even for art, what is happening? So I think the greatest thing about law is it will evolve continuously as we humans evolve. So it's great fun. So whoever wants to jump in, please jump in. And creativity, that is, the SME and MSMEs have this huge, bank of creativity. My request is, please don't lose that. I think if the minute you lose that, I think you're losing a lot. Profit and loss is one part, but the creativity that you all bring to the table is something that is unbelievable.
So, as you rightly said, I strongly believe that creativity is a core strength of SME and MSME. So let's hope that more and more creativity should come. I am throwing this thing to a audience, that is there any question do you want to ask to a specific consultant or a stalwarts here? By the way, I'm not rocking the ramp.
सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन है मिस्टर जमशेदी मिस्री सर। मेरा नाम भागचंद के नंदानी है, फर्म का नाम है शीगल इंडिया। मैं मैन्युफैक्चरर हूँ पंजाबी सूट और कुर्ती का, और मलेशिया एक्सपोर्ट करता हूँ पंजाबी सूट कुर्ती। दीपावली में मलेशिया में मेरे को कुछ पाकिस्तानी मुस्लिम जो मेरे ग्राहक थे, उन्होंने मुझे किडनैप कर लिया। मेरी पेमेंट काफ़ी सारी बाकी थी, मैं 5 साल तक मलेशिया नहीं जा सका था। तो उसके लिए अभी जो फाइनेंस अपने फॉरेन मिनिस्टर थे, वो आए थे गुजरात चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स में, उनको भी मैंने लिख के दिया, लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। तो उसके बारे में मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? सर, माय नेम इज भागचंद के नंदानी and my firm's name is Sheegal India. I am manufacturing Punjabi suit and kurtis. Every Deepavali time I am going to Malaysia for Deepavali exhibition. I am supplying to goods there. In the last Deepavali, some Pakistani Muslims have kidnapped me into Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and they don't give me my amount. And I also complained to Mr. S. Shankar. He came 2 to 3 months before in Gujarat Chamber, but nothing was done. So what I should do? Please help me. Thank you, sir.
I think you should meet me personally.
First and foremost, we are glad to see you alive and well, first, to begin with. No, this is an issue. Yes. So there is the concept of crisis management, okay, today, which includes, this insurance companies have kidnap and ransom policies, etc. There are and in fact, we are working just now with them to ensure that today, wherever you are in the world, it is possible that not only when you travel to these countries, you can be, not only personally secure, but even the transactions that you do, they'll give you advice on political risk, they'll give you on economic, on things like that. All these things have now developed. They're huge. The kind of work they do is absolutely phenomenal. These are the kind of stories, I mean, it has happened to you personally, but these are for the rest of the audience. It will go into an OTT series. It is so unreal. You are absolutely right, and I'm glad you brought this up. This as your business grows, as my friend very rightly said, that they are watching you. So they must have tracked you while you were in India. It is not something that happens. Why these things happen, I think my friend will be able to give you more advice, because all this happens. Whatever you say, sir, today, whether you're looking into a phone, take it from me, you're not alone. That's the answer. Okay, but is there a solution to it? Of course there is now, and you have to be smart. These solutions are becoming available, and they are becoming less expensive also. Earlier it was very, very frightfully expensive. Only chairman of top companies used to have these kind of covers. Now it's going to come down for every individual. As you grow globally, these solutions are becoming, and they must become available, because your personal life and liberty is primary, is most important.
I think in particular this kind of a very shocking incidents need to be get an association with embassies, because at the end of the day they are the one who are going to resolve your issues when you are not on Indian soil. And secondly, the more and more business clarity, or having a proper agreement will save you from all these things. But I think this is something very shocking, and you need to consult a proper international law firm or something like that. To ask.
Yeah. We are in a very nice platform, MSME, micro, small, medium, and enterprises, right? But are we really solving the micro, small enterprise problems over here? I will give the best example. We are providing the IT service to the US companies, right? And the challenge that there is no platform is there. There is no platform in India where we can have the handholding is required for getting the payments to us. One side MSMEs in the inaugural session as well. In the morning they said we want to become a 5 trillion economy. विकसित भारत होना है 2047 तक. If विकसित भारत cannot happen by doing the business only in India, we have to step aside across the world and getting back whatever the services, product that we are selling up. So it mandate to get how the remittance are coming back to India. Then only this Viksit Bharat, all these dreams may come true. So the challenge is, for example, the companies are not paying because we are not registered there, and we are having the company only in India. So they are taking the undue advantages where this company is based out of India. So I think they cannot come there to fight legal battle. So we can ditch their money. So how, and government should come in such situations, handholding and proactively, not reactively. I'm saying proactively they should handhold us and make sure that the coming us, and they should talk to the embassies or other foreign agencies to get our money back.
Before anybody else, I have done same. Just wanted to tell you that, see, at the end of the day, when you are doing business outside India, your legal agreement should be strong enough before you start working for them. Your remittance of fund is based on what service you are providing.
See, I completely agree with you, but
so before
there are certain
giving them
cases,
the hard copies or
there are
whatever data, you should claim your.
There are certain cases our agreements may not be that strong if we want to do the business, because certain laws they cannot fit into their under their law control.
That means your aspirational value is bigger than your personal this thing. At the end of the day, when you, as you rightly said, government should come proactively to hand-holding you. But before government steps in, your legal documents and legal drafts should be made by proper people and a law firm where they will protect your rights. जब तक आप सर्विस प्रोवाइड करके पैसा आना है तो यू पुट अ क्लॉज इन दैट कि ये जैसे ही मैंने प्रोवाइड किया मुझे मेरा पेमेंट आना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट एक्सपर्ट इन दैट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट बीइंग इन बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस at the end of the moment you think that I have to do business outside India, the first thing is to take people like what he rightly said, a proper consultant and a legal fraternity into the case.
See, I completely hear you, but we are doing the, considering the current situation, we are making the legal agreement. We also, nobody knows after 5 years down the line what is going to happen. The laws will change and laws in their countries will change and the agreement will not get updated or amended as the time goes by. And you never know when the disaster comes up. So in that situation, I think MSMEs should have those things. Otherwise, the export services won't happen, and the MSMEs will kill the way that Mr. Amit said.
I completely agree what you are saying. Everybody is facing the same, but at the end of the platform like KCCI and all these things, why it is happening? To understand each other's concern and to share knowledge what you may not get on a different platform, but these people are coming on the same platform to give some kind of a guidance and seeking your concerns. Definitely this, I think KCCI can take this forward, and legal fraternity over here also may think of this. But at the end of the yes, legal drafting and agreement is the only way what you can save or this thing. This is what I feel. At the end of the year, legal consultant or lawyers can be the best people to this thing. I think with